Back everyone. So let's start the discussion for today. Well, this is Saifur Rahman. I'm a financial market analyst, and today we are going to discuss the MT4 platform. As many of the people are unfamiliar, and as you know, we are having this beginner webinars for the beginners. That's why we are going to discuss all the things in details and from the very basics, right? So today topic is all about the MT4, opening your account, and how to set your MT4, how to set your platform actually. So when you actually open your account, okay, for example, we are going to open our account in StarTrader. As you know, StarTrader is an FCA regulated broker, and we are having 1 to 500 ratio leverage, and we are providing a very tight and low spreads. So once you open your account, once you register your account with StarTrader, you can simply log in, and after login, there is the option over here in this tab to download your platform. So simply you can download the MT4 platform. After downloading the MT4 platform, by the way, when you open your account, you get the information, the login information by the email of the MT4 login information by the email, right? So once you download the MT4 platform, you simply open the platform. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so this is the MT4 platform. Okay, so going from the start. So this is the MT4 platform. It look like this. So today we are all going to discuss, and I'm going to tell you how we set our MT4 this platform, how we log in into our MT4 platform to start trading, right? So first of all, the first thing is you just need to go to the file option, okay, and you already have all the account information, the login information. So you just need to go to the login to trade account, okay? So once you go there, you have to select, the server, okay, because this is the demo account. I have logged in already to show you, because I'm going to show you how to trade. So that's why I have logged in already in the demo account. So you just have to go with the open login to existing account. Then you have to log in with the ID and the password and the server, okay? After logging in, you will be appeared, your account will be appeared here, okay? So your balance and your equity and your free margin will be appeared here. So it means that you are logged into your account. So your balance, your equity, and your free margin will be, you can see your margin, balance, and equity here. So it means that you are logged in to your MT4 account. Then what's next? There are a lot of options, there are a lot of tools. This chart, this seems very messy. So we have to set our MT4 according to our way, as the way we trade, as the way we want to see the chart, right? So first of all, after logging your account, you have to go to this market watch. This is very important. So when you click on the market watch, you will see only 4 to 5 currency pairs over here. So you just need to do right click here and just click show all, right? So when you click show all, all the pairs, indices, crypto, commodities, metals will be appeared here, and stocks as well, because we are dealing with the stocks also. So every product will be appeared here, your currencies, metals, everything, okay? And if you want to see the spreads, so you just have to go and again, you just have to right click on this tab and click on spread. So here you can see the spread of every pair, okay? Every product, every commodity, indices, crypto, metals, everything, right? So here you can see the spreads. So this is how we set our market watch. So the market watch is set. You just have to be here in the market watch, and then you can go with the show all, and then you can use the spread. Okay, you can choose the spread to show to see the spread of all the pairs, right? And then after setting this market watch, you can just simply click this to hide this, right? And then you can go with the main chart. Okay, so this is the main chart. So there are 4 to 5 tabs open. So this is the, this is the by default chart you will see in your MT4, right? So you just need to click, or you can go with properties like simply right click and go to the properties. You can go with the properties directly with pressing F8. So just simply go to the properties and select the color as you want. So I'm choosing, for example, the background color should be white. So I choose white, and the for background color as you want. So I choose white as well. And grids, I don't want grids. So I'm choosing white, or maybe I can go with the none, right? So bar up, I want my bar ups with blue, and bar down, I want my bar downs with red, and bullish candles as blue, and bear candles as red. So these are some basic settings of your chart. So when you click on here, the chart will be appear here, right? Appear like this. Just simply go to the indicator window and just delete the indicator. So these are the chart options, right? So this is the layout that you have already selected. You have already set your layout. To change the patterns in the chart, look, we have 3 patterns. This pattern is the bar pattern, and the second one is candlestick pattern, and the third one is line charts. Okay, so I usually trade on the candlesticks, and I recommend you to trade on the candlestick charts because for the price action trading, this is very important to show your candlesticks, right? So just simply click on the candlestick. You can zoom in, zoom out your chart as much as you can, and you can select any by default time frame as well. So the overall set is the overall your main window is set. So to save this template, why? Because when you open the new uh, pair, okay, that will be again the by default chart. So to save this template, you have to go here and just save the template. Okay, just save the template. For example, I have saved it like temp. Okay, temp 123. So I have saved this template. So whenever you go to the new chart, for example, I am going to open this chart window. So you can see we have this chart window, okay, as by default. So you just need to go here, click here, and select the template that you have saved. Okay, so this is how we can set up our chart, our main chart, right? So saving the one template, it doesn't mean that you can only work in one template, right? There are many options. You can save up to like as much as you can. You can save your templates like 4, 5, 10, 15, as much as you can, okay? As much as you want. So for example, I'm trading into the indicators. I can you go with this. If I'm trading the naked charts, I can go with this. If I'm trading, for example, the momentum charts, I can go with this. So there are a lot of options you can use using this chart, using this templates. Okay, you can save multiple templates to view the market, okay, to study the market. So these are some chart patterns. This is how we save the templates, right? So the next thing is, this is, by the way, this is very important. For example, you are, excuse me, yeah, my apologies. So for example, you are considering more than one pair, okay? So I'm considering GBP USD, USD CHF, and let me delete this, okay, and AUD USD, or maybe the Euro JPY. So I want to see all these pairs in one go, in one screen, right? So there is a multi-window chart option we have in this MT4 platform. So you just need to click on this and your charts will be appear here. You can see up to many charts. You can just you just have to set all your charts according to your consideration, according to your way, and then you can trade multiple charts at a time. Okay, you can see, you can look after all the charts, multiple charts at the same time. So this is the multiple chart window. To regain regain the access of the main chart, you can simply go with this, and you will have this access again. You will have the main chart again into your window. So this is the multi-chart option. Let me show it. Okay, so this is the chart window option, and from here you can save your template, right? And yeah, from here you can say you can set your layout. Either you are going for the line chart, for the candle chart, or maybe the pattern, the bar pattern, right? And from here, this is the option for the market watch. Okay, so the upper bar is almost completed. Let me show you some more stuff regarding the MT4 platform, as we are going with the flow, with the from the basics to the advanced level. So I want you guys to do not miss any of the webinar, because first of all, this is all free, and the second is, this is full of education. Yes, we have beginners and we have the advanced level webinars. If you are looking, if you are starting trading, from the, if you are a beginner, then you should go with the beginners. And if you are trading from, many times, then you can join me on my advanced webinar, right? So this is how we are going with the flow from the basics to the advanced. So this is the beginner webinar. So it is also very important, because in the future we are going to tell you, some more important stuff in the market, right? And by the way, we already had one beginner webinar in last week. So now coming towards the MT4, to our topic. So now we are going towards the indicator list. Okay, what is the indicator list? Indicator are something you most of them, you probably heard about the indicators. Indicators are basically telling us the market movement, or somehow it can be used in the main window, or maybe below the window, okay, below the chart. So how to set up your indicators? Okay, to set up your indicators, you have two options. First, you can go and open data folder, and from here you can set your manual indicator. And the second one is, we have all the indicators in this MT4 platform. So you just have to click on this window. As you can see, this is the indicator list. So if you need, for example, RSI, the relative strength index, just go and click on the relative strength index. And from here, you can set all the levels you want. Okay, you can set all the RSI levels. You can add or you can delete the levels, and you can set the properties the way you want to see the RSI, and you just have to click on OK, and this will be appeared in your on your chart on your MT4. So this is how we can add the indicators in our chart. And for example, if I need moving average, or maybe Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku, parabolic bar, or whatever, just simply click on the indicator, and you can set the settings, you can set the parameters the way you want, and then it's good to go. You can just select the OK, and it will be appeared onto your MT4 screen, okay, MT4 platform. So if you want to delete any of the indicators, simply just click on the indicator and delete the indicator, as I am doing right now. So this is very simple. You can add, you can delete the indicators. As I told you before, that we can set many templates. We can set more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 templates to see the market. Okay, so for example, if I'm using this chart, this is the naked chart, there is no indicator, just simple chart, no moving average, nothing. And for example, I need some more, I need some indicators in the, in the other chart. I'm watching this pair, this same pair in two different templates. Okay, so the one template is very simple, it is all naked, and the second template, you can use the second template, for example, this ADX. So we can see one pair in, one pair chart in different templates. Okay, it all depends on you. You can set your templates according to your according to yourself. So this is how we set our templates and our indicators. Now the next thing is very, very important. Over here you can see M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, and month. Okay, M1. So basically these are the time frames. Okay, when you click on the M1, it means the chart you're currently watching is the minute one chart. Okay, it means that each candle, okay, here, the each candle is closing after 1 minute. This one candle, let me show you, this one candle is closing after 1 minute, and the next candle, which is started here yet, so this will be closed after 1 minute, and the next after 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So this is the M1 chart, the lowest time frame on the MT4 platform. Okay, it depends on your strategy, the way you are trading. For example, if you are trading on the bigger time frame, you can use daily H4 or according to your strategy. And if you are a more scalper, or if you like a short-term traders, then you can go with M30, M15, M5, or M1. It depends all on your strategy, right? So the next is M5. M5 means that each candle is closing after 5 minutes. Okay, this is the M5 chart. Okay, over here, it means that each candle is closing in 5 minutes. The next is M15. Same, the each candle is closing in 15 minutes. The next is M30. M30 means that each candle is closing in 30 minutes. H1, in 1 hour. H4, it means that each candle is closing in 4 hours. Daily, again, it means that each candle is closing after 1 day, 24 hours. The same as with weekly and the monthly. On the weekly, we can see the candles are actually closing after 1 week, okay, after 7 days in the currency market. Oh, sorry, after 5 days in the currency market, because forex market, as I have told you before in my webinar about the forex market, I have told you that the forex market, the currency market, are actually on for 5 working days, okay, in a week. So the weekly candle is closed after 5 days a week, and the monthly, which means the one candle is closed in 1 month, right? So these are the time frames. Over here you can see the time frames. By the way, I have already discussed everything in detail regarding the time frames. So if you didn't watch the previous webinars, you can go, you can have the links, by the way, for the videos. So you just need to ask me on the comments and I will provide you the links, right? So these are the time frames. So let me highlight it for you. So these are the time frames. And now coming towards the next thing, which is also very important, that is called our drawing tools. Okay, drawing tools are very important. As you know, to analyze the market, you need the drawing tools, because without drawing tools, you cannot predict the market. You cannot make your analysis. I mean, whatever the analysis you are doing, for example, you are analyzing the market by the trends, by the support resistance, by the levels, by anything, by the Fibonacci or anything, you need the tools. You need the drawing tools. So this is very important, but this is more technical. But I'm going to tell you the drawing tools are over here, so you can use any of the drawing tools. This is a time spacer. Okay, it can provide you the time limits of the trade, and over here we have this line. This is called your, this can be used for your support and resistance. For example, I'm setting my support here and I'm setting my resistance here. So this can be used for your support and resistance. Over here, this is a trend line. As you can see, this is a trend line. So to set your trend line, you can simply go with the trend line properties. You can set the parameters. I don't want my trend line to exceed. So I just simply unselected the array. I just changed the color, and here we can find the thickness of our trend line. So here is my trend line. So I can use this trend line anywhere in the chart in my analysis. Okay, so this is the trend line. And now coming towards the next, this is the channel. As many of you understand, by the way, we will discuss these things in our coming sessions. So I need my channel to do not look like this. So I just simply went there, I unselected the array, I changed the color, I want black, and here. So this is my channel. So whenever I am now going to draw the channel, it will be like this. Okay, so this is my channel. Okay, you can draw simply like this. Okay, so this is my channel, and the next is Fibonacci. I think I have already set the Fibonacci tools, but anyways, when you select the Fibonacci, simply double click on it and then go for the Fibo properties, and you can select here the color, and you can add the levels, you can delete the levels. I have already set all the colors. By the way, in the previous webinar, we have already discussed everything regarding the Fibonacci, and I have already, told you about how to set the Fibonacci tool. So this is over here, we have the Fibonacci, and over here we have some text. If you want to put some text or, somewhere, any note, so you can go and select here, and you can add the note on your chart or any name or something like this. Okay. So this is how we set our template, our drawing tools. Now coming towards, by the way, one more thing which is very important, and I really want to tell you this thing, that for example, if you are not looking to trade into MT4 platform and you are using some other outsource sites like TradingView or something, so you have to pay. Okay, you have to pay to save your charts. For example, if you have 2 or 3 charts and you have already drawn your all the analysis, you have to pay to the other websites to save your charts. Okay, but in here, in this case, in our MT4 platform, you don't need to pay. You just need to draw your charts, and if you close this MT4 platform, okay, no problem. When you open it again, your charts will be appeared. Okay, your drawn charts will be appeared. Your analysis will not be destroyed. Okay, your analysis will not be removed. So this is the benefit why I prefer to use the MT4 platforms. Okay, this is all free, and you have all tools, and yeah, we can save our multiple charts using this MT4 platform. Okay, so this is very important thing. The next thing is order. Okay, so we have already set our charts, we have saved the templates, we have set our analysis. I just want to place the order. Okay, I'm simply hiding this. Okay, I just want to place the order. Okay, so I'm going to place USD CHF sell or maybe buy. Don't go directly here, because if you are going to sell or buy, it is, by the way, it is my recommendation, you can go with the buy or sell from here directly, no problem. But the good way is to, a good way to execute your setup is to execute your trade is hide this and go to the new order. Here you can change your lot size. For example, I am going to trade one standard lot. Okay, here you can place your stop loss, which is 0.97 and 630. Okay, for example, I have set the stop loss, take profit, which is 0.99900. So you can see here, I have set my stop loss, my take profit, and my volume. So this is how we have to execute our order. And by the way, here we have the orders, the market execution and the pending order. And if you don't know about the pending orders, buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, then you have to watch my previous webinar in which I have mentioned what types of orders do we have in this market. Okay, so currently we are going with the market execution. So I'm going to buy, my stop loss and target is already set, and here we go. So the market is, I have executed the order USD CHF for the buying direction. Okay, so this is how we see we can execute our orders. Okay, and if you want to see your running orders and your margins and your equity and your balance, you just need to simply click on this option over here. Okay, and once you click on this, like this is excuse me, once you simply click on this, the lower tab will be appeared, and over here, look, we have the USD CHF opened order, the price from where we bought, and the stop loss is this, and the target is this, and currently we are running with, for example, the profit and loss. The overall profit and loss will be appeared at the end, and here we have the balance, our equity, our margin. 200 is our margin deducted from the account, and our free margin is 49,767, and the margin level is this. Okay, so let's say we are executing the sell order in AUD USD. Simply go to the AUD USD chart, and if you don't want to go to the AUD USD chart, simply go here, select new order, and you can use your AUD USD. You can select AUD USD from here, and you can use the stop loss and the target, and let's say I am selling AUD USD, right? So it is 0.65140. This is my stop loss, and the target is 0.64400. So this is my target. So I just sold the market. Okay, so this is the current market execution. I just sold AUD USD. So you can see we have two orders now, USD CHF and AUD USD. Okay, and our equity is this, our margin deducted from the account is this, our free margin is this, and overall we are currently running in loss, and we can see our profit and loss at the end of this window. So here we have the executed orders. You can see your swap, your commission, and everything over here. So, and by the way, if you want to see the account history, you can simply go to the account history and just simply extend this, and you can see all the account history. You can select the time and date. Okay, anything you want to for example, if you want to see in between the time period, you can select the time as well to see your account statement, your account history. Okay, so this is it. This is all about the MT4. I have shared, I think, a very knowledgeable information to you, and a very good information, and especially for the beginners. So I hope you liked it, and if you guys have any question regarding the MT4 platform, or any question regarding the market, regarding the webinars, you can ask me in the comments. So I will be answering you after the 5-minute breaks. Thank you. Welcome back, guys. So I hope you got the answers, and I hope you got this, everything about the MT4. And we'll see you guys in the next webinar. I will be informing you on my social media, on my Telegram, and every channel, and it will be also updated on our official website, the broker website, the StarTrader website, so you can join us in the next webinar. See you guys there.